Ayan, Miss Diana, ito naman yung aking last question sa'yo. Ano naman yung next for you? Next for your consultancy? Ano yung parang aabangan namin?
Next, for the consultancy, lalo na ngayon, we are tied up already with Coach Gina Katigbak, our executive coach. The next level of our company is to build life coaches, to build a powerful woman, to really provide HR generalists to different na mayroon siyang touch of transformational leadership. And lastly, providing a lot of opportunities of learning kasi also nagtuturo din ako how to do executive assistant role, paano ba maging lean yung process, business development, organizational development. So there's a lot of opportunities and training that I can provide. So I think that's what excites me the most.
Parang ako din excite ako. Parang gusto kong magdala ng mga tao.
Yes.
Yes, kasi ngayon ko lang din naunawaan na iba pala ang coaching.
Yes.
It's different from training. Kasi noon, parang more on training lang kami. Pero coaching, it's different. Talagang mag-i-improve talaga yung mga tao once na kino-coach.
Yeah, iba yung life coach sa performance coach. So gusto kong pag-tie up yon, yung kino-coach kita sa buhay mo, pero that nagke-create ka ng resulta.
Yes.
Yun talaga. Kaya you can work it together. That's what really excites me kasi that's how I operate right now. Gusto ko siya ipasa.
And I think walang masyadong ganun sa Pilipinas.
Yes. Kaya mag-number 1 yun yung goal.
Unique. And tuloy-tuloy mo lang kasi talagang doon na papunta. And you are with the right people na in partnership. Sila yung magagaling.
Yeah.
Tama yan. Kasi kung gusto mong lumaki yung negosyo mo, partner with the people na yun yung skill and yun yung expertise nila.
Exactly. Thank you so much.